Hello and welcome to an overview video of a new YouTube subscription browser app for Android called SubTube, which is short for Subscription Tube. With SubTube, you can organise your YouTube channel subscriptions, playlists and video categories into collections, which allows you to get to the content you want easily and fast. It's available for free on the Play Store for devices running Jelly Bean and above. Please find a link in the description below. This is an ad-supported app, but for a small in-app purchase, these can be removed. In this overview, the adverts have been removed. So let's get started. I'll start the app. Now, because I'm a new user, I can select some ready-made collections. So I'll select popular YouTube channels, gaming and comedy collections, and I'll select OK. Now it's finished creating those collections, it opens the main browser page. So here we can see that the popular YouTube channels collection is selected, and we can see the other two collections we created in the collections drop-down. Below the collections drop-down is a carousel of all the subscriptions we have in this collection. Now, a subscription in this application could be a playlist or video category, which I'll show you later. I can select one of my channel subscriptions, for instance College Humour. It will load videos from this channel. Below each video you can see a ratings bar, which allows you to quickly gauge if a video is liked or disliked by how much green or red is displayed in the bar. This feature helps you know ahead of time if a video is worth clicking on. Once a video is watched, it's marked as watched, much like on the YouTube website. You can also mark it as watched yourself, so you know what you've already seen. You also have the option to share the video. The video will play full screen, but within the settings page you also have the options to play on your mobile browser or official YouTube app if you have it installed. You can search a channel subscription to find videos you want to watch by selecting the search icon. So here we'll search for the word pizza in the Epic Mealtime channel to find all their videos about pizza. You can easily change the collection visible at any time by selecting another collection from our collections drop-down. So we'll select the comedy collection. So we can see that the subscription carousel has now been updated with the subscriptions that have been made for us in the comedy collection. If we wanted to add or change the subscriptions in this collection, we can select the subscription option from the action bar menu, or we can select the add subscription button in the action bar. Like the main browser page, we can see that the collection we have selected is the comedy collection, and the first tab called In Collection shows us the subscriptions that we have in this collection. Here we can reorder subscriptions by clicking and selecting them and dragging them to change their order. We can also remove a subscription from the collection by selecting the menu bar option and selecting Remove Subscription. Next to the In Collection tab is the Search tab, which allows us to search for YouTube channels, playlists and video categories. So here we can look for comedy channels to add to our comedy collection, such as the video channel Tom Scar, which we can add to our comedy collection. We can also use the channel playlist button to show you all the playlists that the channel Tom Scar has. So we select that now. It loads all the playlists from the Tom Scar channel. We can select the sketch comedy playlist to add to our comedy collection. We can also select video categories from our subscription type drop down. This will load all the YouTube video categories available, and we can add the comedy video category to our comedy collection. We also have an account tab which will allow you to view your YouTube account subscriptions and playlists, allowing you to quickly organise them into collections. I'm running this app on my computer, so I'm not able to log into my account, but all you need to do is click the sign in button and follow the setup to connect the app to your YouTube account. Please note that this app only asks for read-only access to your YouTube account, so any changes you make in the app will not affect your online account. Now if we go back to the In Collections tab, we can see that Tom Scar, his sketch comedy playlist and the comedy video category has been added to our collection. We'll just reorder those now so they're at the top of our collection. Now going back to the main screen, we can see that the channel Tom Scar, his sketch comedy playlist and the comedy video category has now been added to the beginning of our comedy collection. And so we can select Tom Scar's channel videos, or we can select to view popular comedy video categories videos out at the moment. One final thing I'd like to show you is how to create collections themselves. Just select the collection option from the action bar, and then the manage collection screen is shown. You can reorder the collections in much the same way as you reordered subscriptions by selecting and dragging on the handle. You can also delete any collections that you want. Making a collection default will make it the selected collection when you first open the app. We'll go ahead and create a new collection called Music and now add some subscriptions to it. From the action bar, we'll select the subscriptions option. We'll ensure that the music collection is selected because that's the collection we'll be adding the subscriptions to. You can see that currently there are no subscriptions in this collection. We'll select the category from the subscriptions types drop down and add the music category. Then select the channel and then search for Vivo channels. We'll add some of our favourite Vivo channels into this collection. So now we can see we've got the music video category and some of our favourite Vivo channels. So going back to the main screen, you can see now that we've got our music collection and our new music channels and video categories within that collection. YouTube experts among you may know collections are already a feature on the YouTube website but are not part of their mobile app. Future releases of SubTube may enable you to sync your collections on the app with the YouTube website, but at the moment YouTube has not enabled this functionality, but it's something that you may see in future releases. Okay, that about wraps up the tour of the SubTube Android app. I hope you find it useful. If you've got any comments or suggestions, you can leave them below.